What's up, design junkies? It is your favorite host, and oh my god, I just landed on this photo of a living room that I need you to see. Honestly, the vibe is unreal. Like, you know how we're always talking about tropes contemporaire? This is the definition. They hit you right away with this electric blue sofa. I mean, royal blue, people. It's just so striking against the crisp white walls and the super glossy floor. Check this out. Instead of heavy dividers, they used this sick slatted wood partition on the side, which keeps the flow open but adds that essential tropical texture. And the light. The cinematic lighting here is just chef's kiss. It pours in through those massive corner windows, literally corner windows, and spills onto the sheer curtains. The plants are doing the heavy lifting too. Look at that gigantic Monstera in the blue and white pot. It's basically the centerpiece. Everything is balanced. The cozy mid-century armchairs, the chunky white coffee table, and the geometric blue artwork. It's fresh, it's dramatic, and it feels like a high-end resort exploded into a living space in the best way possible. If you need summer decor inspo that lasts all year, honestly, this blue and white combo is it. This room is absolutely sick. So, what are you waiting for? Screenshot this and follow for more design deep dives next week.